And good afternoon, pinball fans. Nick's Pinball Chronicles channel. Back at the customer's house because he had a burnt connector that I didn't have my connectors or my pins yesterday. So I came by again today and I repinned this. This was all burnt. And I was having intermittent issues with these GIs. They were going on and off. I had everything broken down, isolated, trying to see if there was a short. It's not a short, it's something that's on the rectifier board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the board off and try to clean up the solder, hopefully reflow, and hopefully that should fix it. So yeah, it's definitely this flaky connection here. It's a 20 pin J3 head box connector that goes out to the general illumination, and the 5 volts, 43 volts going to the solenoids for the boards. So yeah, this is what BALLY does in their System 1 games. They put the transformer and the rectifier board here. So you have 7.5 volts that's not rectified coming right out of the transformer. And then you got all your other DC voltages coming from the 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3 rectifiers in there. So I'll let you know what we find. Stay tuned. Okay. I got the power supply rectifier board out of the machine. I gotta find my Phillips screwdriver. And take it off the board. Take it off the metal piece here. Stay tuned. Okay, so I found a couple of flaky connections here. I'll reflow all this here, and the wired connections I'll reflow. Put some fresh solder on it. See if that does a trick. I don't have any header pins, so I mean, I would get new headers, but I don't have them right now. So this is my best next option. So I'm going to reflow and take it from there, see how it works. There's the thermal paste, by the way, for the heat transfer for these 3 bridge rectifiers. So I'll reflow this side and see how it goes. Stand by. Okay, so we're back in. I did reflow a lot of the solder points in the back of the board where we mounted back to the ground plane in this metal box. Let's hook it up and see what we get. This has got a keyway to it. Oops, wrong one. That goes down here. There we go. Just like that. I should number these. Here's J1. J2. These test points were bent over, so I bent them back. And let's see. We plug it in. Let's see what we get. booting. And once again, no back box lights. Yeah, he's gonna need a new board. Let me mess around with it. I gotta put the phone down. I will put the video away for a second. I'll be back. Okay. She's good. Reseated the connector and everything lights, which is good. I'm gonna play a few games and see how it holds up, and I'll get back. Another job done. Reflowing did help, but I don't know if he wants to put more money into this machine right now. But if it was up to me, I would get a brand new power rectifier board and definitely get a new playfield, but it's going to be costly. So we'll see. It's going so far so good. We'll keep in touch. Let me power it up and play a game. And she's glowing again. It's done. Reflowed the rectifier board and back glass is lit up again. Fully lit. Very good. I'm gonna play the game. See how we do. There's some lights that are out still. I gotta take care of those lamps, take the glass off, but I came to fix that and it's good for now. Thanks for watching.